Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of relaxation and pain relief with the ultimate solution for neck pain, the Shiatsu neck and back massager with soothing heat by Nekteck. If you're tired of dealing with neck stiffness and muscle soreness, this may just be the answer you've been looking for. Now, let me tell you why this massager stands out from the rest. With its 8 powerful deep Shiatsu kneading massage nodes, it targets those troublesome spots in your neck, upper back, and shoulders with precision. Whether you've been sitting at your desk all day or just need to unwind after a long day's work, this massager is your ticket to relaxation. What sets this massager apart is its versatility. Not only does it provide a deep tissue massage, but it also comes with a soothing heat function. This combination not only helps alleviate muscle soreness but also improves blood circulation, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. With its adjustable intensity levels and long handle straps, you can customize the massage to suit your needs. Plus, it's portable and easy to use, whether you're at home, in the office, or even on the go. So, whether you're dealing with neck pain, shoulder tension, or just in need of some relaxation, the Shiatsu neck and back massager by Nekteck is here to save the day. Say goodbye to muscle soreness and hello to a new level of comfort and relaxation. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy relaxing.